Arsenal have stormed to the top of the Premier League table after a commanding win over Nottingham Forest in Matchweek 4, knocking Liverpool off first place and setting up a thrilling weekend of football. If you're a true Premier League fan, don't miss a single twist in this title race. Subscribe now for instant EPL updates. Like this video if you're backing Arsenal, and drop your predictions in the comments to join the conversation. Show some love for your team. Comment their name below and let's see who has the biggest fan base. Which team are you backing this season? Drop your favorite club in the comments.